Good morning, beautiful people. Today I'm gonna be making some London broil steaks. However, I'm gonna be slow cooking them in the crock pot. I'm gonna kind of make it like a pot roast. I'm gonna be using some carrots, some potatoes, some onions, some soy sauce, chicken broth, and for my seasoning, just plain old salt and pepper with some nor suiza, also known as like chicken flavor boiling. Okay, so today I'm gonna be putting everything in my slow cooker. I am gonna be prepping it, getting it ready for when I get off work tonight. It can all be nice and ready for us to have for dinner. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already have my chicken broth, soy sauce, and pieces of meat in there. I am actually gonna go ahead and add half a cup of water. I'm not gonna put the full cup, but I'm gonna do half. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour it in there. Okay, after this I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna chop it up and put it in there with the little garlic grinder. So let's do that. So we added the garlic. Now we're gonna go ahead and bring our veggies. Let's go ahead and put in the carrots. We're just gonna dump them in there, just like that. We're gonna put in our onion. Let's go ahead and put it in there. And we're gonna dump in our potatoes. Just like that. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and season it with some pepper. So let's just put some pepper all over there. Maybe just quite some pepper in there. Okay. Now we're gonna put some salt. Bit, and we're gonna put a little bit of our chicken flavored seasoning. Okay, just a tiny bit. Literally like this much, guys. See, not that much. Just gonna sprinkle it all over. Perfect. Now we're gonna mix everything in there. We're gonna mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it very well. Mix all that good stuff. Can't wait to taste it later, guys. It smells actually pretty good and everything's pretty raw. I think it's the soy sauce that's giving it away. Of course, with that chicken broth. Now, if it smells good right now and if it looks good, imagine how it's gonna smell and taste later. Okay?
8 hours later.
So here is my mashed potatoes and my London broil roasted steak. It smells so delicious. If only you guys can smell. It's so tender and juicy, but I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.